In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 52-week high stocks in TradingView. This can be incredibly useful for traders who are looking for stocks that have been performing well over the last year, potentially signaling strong momentum or bullish market sentiment. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to help you navigate TradingView with ease. First, you'll want to open the stock screener. If you're already working within a chart, simply look to the bottom left of your screen for a button labeled Screener. Clicking this will give you several options, so you'll want to select Stock Screener. Alternatively, if you prefer using the top menu, head over to Products, then Screeners, and choose Stock Screener from the drop-down list. This tool is extremely powerful in filtering and analyzing stocks based on various criteria, and exactly where we'll be focusing today to find those 52-week highs. Once you have the stock screener open, the next step is to apply the new high 52 weeks filter. Look for a Filters button, which is represented by a funnel icon. Clicking this will expand several filtering options. Here, you'll navigate to the section named Market Data. This is where you'll find the filter labeled New High. It's crucial to make sure you click on this and then select New High 52 weeks from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you're customizing your screener to display only those stocks that are hitting their yearly high today. This feature is particularly valuable as it narrows down the search to pinpoint stocks that have shown recent significant performance over the past year. Now that you've applied the filter, the screener will automatically display all the stocks that meet this criterion. You might notice the number of results can vary drastically depending on market conditions, so it can sometimes be insightful into the current market trend just by seeing how many stocks pop up in your list. For easier access and better organization, you can click on the column header labeled New High 52 Weeks to add this information to your table. This allows for quick reference and can help you identify patterns or trends at a glance. To further refine the listed results, consider sorting them or applying additional filters, such as volume or sector. Doing so can help you tailor the findings to match your specific trading strategy. For instance, if you are looking for high liquidity stocks, you could set a volume filter to eliminate those that don't meet your criteria. Or, if you're interested in a particular industry, use the sector filter to focus your search more accurately. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to locating those 52-week high stocks using TradingView. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Happy